Hello everyone, welcome to the Textile Design with Photoshop. My name is Saide. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to reduce the color from the image that you have while keeping the quality of the image and keep that quality for the printing. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe the channel.
Before I start, I would like to introduce my Instagram page entitled Gilani Design. You can follow the page and see my design over there. And if you have any question regarding to each design and drawing process, ask me and send me a message. Color reduction is one of the most important subjects to learn in textile design. In this session, I will teach you how to reduce the colors of an image that has 100 colors to the minimum possible colors while keep the high quality of image for printing. Here, I select this image to work these techniques together. First, you should change the type of the image to RGB. So click on Image in menu bar and then select the mode and make sure the RGB color is checked. After that, again go to the image, then mode and index color. In this window, make sure the palette option is set to local adaptive. Go to preview option and set to uncheck. Color option is set to 256. Force option is set to none. Transparency option is unchecked. And in option section, matte is set to none. And detail is set to none. Then before closing the window, change palette to custom. Make sure if the custom was not active and is gray, check the preview and again uncheck that. This actives the custom. By clicking on custom, the color table pops up. Now click on first color on top and drag to the end bottom color in your table. This opens another window with color picker name. Now you should put 0 in H, S, and B table. These are abbreviation for hue, saturation, and black. Press OK. Again OK for second time. And now all of the colors in color table should be black. Now click on first box and color picker window will open again. Now click on image to pick a color from the darkest color in the design to the lightest until select enough color to be the best representative of image. You have your own choice to pick the colors from your image, whatever that you prefer. Now I feel satisfied with the selected colors. Press OK and check the preview and unchecked again. In the index color window, it's good, but I think I need more colors in this part, and therefore I again go back to custom color table and try added a couple of more colors. You can continue this process to make sure you pick all colors to cover all the colors in the image. Okay, this time I feel really satisfied. Click OK, keep the preview on and select OK. Now select the image from menu bar, then select mode and RGB color. Again, go to the image, mode, index color, and from the index color window, change the palette option to exact. And now the number of colors that we have picked in the image are shown 34 colors. Click OK, then again go to image, mode and color table. As you can see in the color table window, all 34 colors are arranged together and the rest of the black boxes are changed to gray. In this table, we have some colors which are very close to each other, and I prefer to combine them to reduce the number of colors. I start by combining two yellow colors that I have here by clicking on the first one, and you can see the color number here which correspond to the yellow color. Click on this number and copy it. Then click OK and click on the second yellow box and paste the number here. Then click OK. To see if this change is placed, go to the menu bar, then mode and RGB color, then again image mode and index color. Now you can see 34 color is changed to 33. Again, move back to the image from menu and select mode, then color table, and you can see we have one yellow color here. Now I would like to combine these three pink colors too. If you are not sure which colors represent which location in your image, click on the color and change the color to the black. This way you can see all the location which had this color on the image. And it's become black, and click on cancel. And let's do the same process for other pinks. Okay, I decided to merge only these two pinks together with the same process which I just explained for the yellow colors. You can use this process as I'm doing to combine the colors and reduce the colors in your image. You can check the number of colors as I explained, and again go back to reduce and combine more colors. Finally, I reduce color to 27. Of course, I can combine more, but I think this is a good for this session. Now we need to save image as a new image with a new name. So go to the image and file and save as, and save a file with the color reduction 1 and save the new image with the new name in my laptop. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you so much and have a good one.